Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to explain you the Java buzzwords. Those are Java features. This is very important question. They have asked in all the question papers for 8 to 6 marks. You can easily score by explaining these 8 features. If you are watching my video for the first time, then subscribe to my channel for more videos. For important questions explained. Let us continue. Platform independent, object oriented, simple, robust and secure, multi-threading, distributed, compile and interpreted, dynamic. These are the Java buzzwords. Sometimes they will ask like list and explain the Java buzzwords. Then you have to list these 8 buzzwords. Then have to explain one by one. Let us start with the platform independent. Once compiled, you can execute any platform in any OS like Windows, Linux and Mac operating system. This is platform independent, means we can execute in any platform. Java is platform independent because the Java compiler converts the source code into bytecode .class file, which is an intermediate language. Here, Java is also platform independent because the Java compiler converts the source code into bytecode. And this bytecode can be executed on the platform like anywhere using the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. I have explained the JVM, JRE and JDK in the previous videos. You can check those videos to know what is JVM. JVM is a platform dependent because every operating system has its own JVM. Windows, Linux, Mac, every operating system has its own JVM. That's why this JVM is platform dependent. The second one is object oriented. Object oriented. Java is secured in two object oriented language, which means that our focus is on data, the methods that manipulate the data rather than thinking of procedure or function. Means object oriented means the more focus is on data rather than the procedure or function, right? Likewise, here Java is also secured and the more focus is on data rather than the procedure or function. And it also supports all the features of OOPS, that is abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation and inheritance, etc. This Java supports all the concepts of all the features of OOPS. In Java, except primitive data types, everything is object only. In data types video, I have explained primitive data types. What are all the primitive data types? You can check that video. Except those primitive data types, everything is object only in object oriented Java. The third one is simple. Java is designed to be simple to learn. Means it is designed in such a way that very simple to learn, easy to understand. And if you know the basic concepts of OOPS, then Java is very easy to learn. The basic concepts of OOPS means inheritance, encapsulation, object, classes, data binding, message passing. I have uploaded a video on that. If you want, you can check that. If you know those concepts, then Java is very easy to learn. As Java inherits the C and C++ syntax, many of the object-oriented features, it makes the Java very easy to learn. Means Java is inherited from the C, C++ syntax. And many of the object-oriented features are there. Those features will make Java very easy to learn. And the fourth one is robust and secured. To make Java secure, many features of C and C++ were eliminated. I already told you that Java is inherited from C and C++. To make Java more secure, many features from C and C++ were eliminated. That's why Java is very secure. Java doesn't use pointers to ensure that Java programs cannot access to memory location without proper authentication. That means Java doesn't use the pointer to ensure that Java programs cannot access the memory location without proper authentication. Means it cannot access the memory location without the authentication. That's why it is very secure. And it has advanced garbage collector type checking, exception handling, memory management features to avoid memory leakage, illegal data access and system crash. It has the advanced garbage collector for type checking and exception handling. It will handle the exceptions and memory management to avoid the memory leakage and illegal data access and system crash. And the next one is multi-threading. Threading is a lightweight process. I think all of you know this. And different part of the program executing concurrently at the same time is called multi-threading, which means only one program we have in that the different parts of the single program executing concurrently at the same time is called multi-threading, and it increases the CPU utilization, and the thread makes the Java application faster by executing multiple tasks at the same time. If it executes the multiple applications at the same time means it will increase the CPU utilization, right? Then doing multiple tasks concurrently. This is what the multi-threading means. The next one is distributed. It is a software that runs on multiple computers connected to a network at the same time. It is a software distributed. The name itself says that it runs on the multiple computers connected to a network and at the same time. And to improve this, we have two concepts again. Those are RMI and EJB. RMI means remote method invocation. EJB means enterprise Java bit. No need to explain these things. Just mention it. That's it. The next one is compile and interpreter. Java is two-way process, both compiler and interpreter. Compiler means converts the or translate the source code and byte code. It converts the source code to byte code, and interpreter generates the machine code. These are the tasks of compiler and interpreter. In the second stage of Java, interpreter generates the machine code that can be executed directly by the machine running the Java program. Actually, no need to write this and all. If you explain the compiler and interpreter, that's more than enough. And the last one is dynamic. Java is dynamic in nature. Java links class, library, object, methods, any other resource allocation dynamically when required. That's why Java is dynamic. You have to explain 1 to 2 points for each concept. Then you will get full marks for sure. Whenever you get this kind of question, according to the marks you have to write down. Whether they have asked for 6 marks or 8 marks, have to write down according to that marks. Just simply don't waste your time by explaining all the things. If they ask for 6 marks also, whatever is required, only write down those things. Just don't waste your time in exam hall. If you find this information helpful, then hit the like button, share this info with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. I share more videos like this every day. Thank you very much for watching.